You ever watch Neon Genesis Evangelion and think, man, this show was a wild ride? I wonder how much dough it raked in. Well, buckle up, fellow Evangelion fans, because we're about to dive deep into the financial success of this iconic anime. We'll explore the box office numbers, merchandise sales, and the impact of Evangelion's global popularity on its overall revenue. Before we get into the juicy numbers, let's rewind a bit. Neon Genesis Evangelion, or EVA for short, isn't just any anime. It's a cultural phenomenon. This mind-bending series, with its deep philosophical themes, stunning animation, and unforgettable characters, captivated audiences worldwide. But did this critical acclaim translate into cold, hard cash? Let's find out. Now, EVA wasn't solely a TV show. It also spawned a successful film franchise. The rebuild of Evangelion Tetralogy, a series of 4 movies reimagining the original story, dominated Japanese box offices. Rebuild of Evangelion, the first 3 films in the tetralogy grossed over 80 billion yen, roughly $600 million in Japan alone. Evangelion 3.0 plus 1.0 Thrice Upon a Time, the final film, released in 2021, further boosted the franchise's box office success. Where EVA truly shines is in its merchandise empire. Think about it. Figures, from tiny chibi figures to highly detailed action figures, Evangelion collectibles are a hot commodity. Manga, the manga adaptation enjoyed immense popularity, contributing significantly to the franchise's revenue. Games, video games based on Evangelion, spanning various genres, have consistently performed well. Licensed products, the list goes on, clothing, accessories, you name it. EVA has a strong presence in the merchandise market. Estimating the exact revenue from merchandise is tricky. However, considering the sheer volume and popularity of EVA-related products, it's safe to say it's a major contributor to the franchise's overall financial success. EVA's influence extends far beyond Japan. It's a globally recognized brand, captivating audiences across continents. International licensing, the franchise has been licensed worldwide, leading to international merchandise sales, film distribution deals, and collaborations with various brands. Streaming platforms, the availability of EVA on popular streaming services like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video has introduced it to a new generation of fans, further expanding its reach and potential revenue streams. So, how much money did Neon Genesis Evangelion make? While an exact figure is difficult to pinpoint, it's clear that this iconic anime has been a massive financial success. From record-breaking box office numbers to a thriving merchandise industry, EVA has proven its commercial power. Its global impact ensures that the franchise will continue to generate revenue for years to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.